Imagine waking up at dawn. No alarm, no coffee, just the grinding of cartwheels on stone, and someone screaming at their neighbor through a narrow alley. And before you even open your eyes, something hits you first. The smell. Rotting garbage. Smoke. Animals. Waste. This is Rome. Nearly 2 million people packed into one city, without plumbing, without streetlights, without silence. And somehow, this chaotic, choking place became one of the most powerful civilizations in human history. So here's the real question. What did it actually feel like to survive a single day here? Because the Rome you imagine, marble temples, gladiators, emperors in purple, that's not the Rome most people lived in. Today, you're not just learning about it. You're stepping inside it. One full day, hour by hour, from the noise before sunrise to the danger after dark. Welcome to Back in Time POV History, where history isn't told, it's experienced. If you enjoy immersive history like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a journey through time. And make sure you watch the full video till the end. It's around 5 in the morning. The sky is still dark. But Rome never really slept. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Wheeled carts were banned during the day. Sounds peaceful, until you realize what that actually means. All night long, the streets are flooded with traffic. Wood creaking, wheels grinding, drivers shouting over each other. If you're trying to sleep, you're not. By the time you wake up, you're already exhausted. You live in an insula, a tall, fragile apartment block, 5 or 6 stories high. The upper floors are cheap, cramped, and dangerous. The stairs creak, the walls feel thin. One spark, and the whole building could go up. There's no running water up here. If you're thirsty, you go down. If you need a toilet, you either use a pot and dump it outside, or walk to a shared public latrine. And yes, you smell it before you see it. Breakfast is quick. Bread, maybe olives, a little cheese if you're lucky. You don't linger, because outside, the city is waking up. Step into the street and everything tightens. Space, noise, pressure, vendors shouting prices, metal clanging, animals pushing through crowds, the air thick with dust and sweat. This is the prima hora, the first hour after sunrise, when Rome explodes into motion. Streets are lined with tabernets selling everything from bread to medicine. It doesn't feel like an empire. It feels like survival. If you're a man with any status, your morning isn't yours. You're heading to the salutatio, a ritual of power. You stand outside your patron's house with dozens of others. Waiting. Watching. When he appears, you greet him, praise him, maybe offer a service. In return, money, food, protection. Miss a few days, and doors start closing. Most Roman women aren't part of public rituals. Their world is more private, managing households, raising children, supervising slaves. But don't mistake that for weakness. Elite women could wield serious influence through family and connections. Different stage, same game. The forum is where Rome's heart beats loudest. Voices echo. Deals happen. Court cases unfold in public. Politicians speak over restless crowds. Philosophers debate. And somewhere in the chaos, a merchant quietly counts coins, hoping today is enough. For most people, this is just another day. By midday, the heat becomes unbearable. The wealthy disappear indoors, the poor adapt, finding shade, standing near fountains. When hunger hits, you go to a thermopolium, a street-side food counter. Lentils, bread, spiced wine, quick, cheap, necessary, because most Romans don't have kitchens. Eating out isn't luxury, it's survival. Next stop, the thermae, public baths, not just for cleaning, but for connection. Politics, business, friendships, all happen here. Warm air, steam, laughter. For a moment, chaos fades. But not for everyone. A slave moves silently, cleaning, carrying, repeating the same tasks. Same place, different reality. If there are games, the city floods into massive arenas. The Circus Maximus holds over 250,000 people. The noise is overwhelming. Teams compete. Blues, greens, reds, whites. Fans scream, bet everything, even fight. Then the Colosseum, 50,000 watching. Gladiators, animals, blood. This isn't just entertainment, it's escape. As the sun sets, Rome softens. Dinner, the scena. For the poor, it's simple. Porridge, bread, beans. For the wealthy, it's a performance. Reclining, endless courses, diluted wine, sharp conversations. Two completely different worlds in the same city. Then comes darkness. No streetlights, only torches. Shadows stretch, footsteps echo. This is when Rome becomes dangerous. Muggers, drunks, unseen threats. And in the distance, the carts return. The noise begins again. If you can afford safety, you stay inside. If not, you move fast and hope. Eventually, Rome quiets, just enough before it all begins again. And when you step back and really look at it, it's hard to ignore. The street food, the social networks, the obsession with entertainment, the divide between classes. Rome isn't just history, it's a reflection, a blueprint, a warning. From the choking air before sunrise to the silent fear after dark. This wasn't just a city, it was a system, built on noise, power, and survival. And maybe that's the strangest part. It feels familiar. If this made Rome feel real to you, not just something in a textbook, there's more waiting. The next video breaks down Roman social classes, and once you see it, you won't unsee it.